6 home renovations that buy wants according to Realtors. Your friend Yasir here from Renax Impact. Number 1 is kitchen. 93% of Renax Realtors survey says kitchen renovations are the most looked up after by home buyers. Number 2 are bathrooms. 64% of Renax Realtors said new or updated bathrooms are in high demand by home buyers. Number 3 are floorings. 48% of Renax Realtors point out new floorings at a hot selling point on a resale market. Number 4 is paint. 35% of Renax Realtors said buyers want a fresh coat of paint. Number 5 is finish basement. 22% of Renax Realtors point out basement renovations as a huge selling point on the resale market. Number 6 is outdoors and landscaping. 19% of Renax Realtors said home buyers are setting their focus on the great outdoor. If you are thinking of home buying or home selling, call your friend Yasir at 647-896-6227 for your free consultation and to make the right decision. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep real estate simple. I am out.